from Proformance Unlimited for you today on the Dyno stand. We happen to have one of our LS 441 cubic inch motors. This happens to be our 700 horsepower edition using the re-sleeve block. This thing came out absolutely gorgeous looking for the customer. He asked for a complete blackout theme. He's installing this thing into a 69 Malibu, which I think would be pretty trick. If you're interested in having one of these motors built for your ride, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. Let's take you over to Dyno Run.
All right, Rob, I have your 69 Chevelle Malibu engine here on the dyno. Happens to be our 441 cubic inch. We're going to fire it up, give you a run demo.